No. You're saying no. You're saying to me that I was not using my ECC account, and I'm saying to you that is not true. And I said to you that I spoke with three students, and I named the three students that when I called them. Yeah. But when I'm saying, but I mean, if you look into the class in question, you just say the students. It was my environmental statistics. I wouldn't have six students there. But I'm saying to you that when I called the students, they said to me that those students were all using their ECC email addresses, and they still couldn't get in. And after I sent the email, there was another student, Gabriel Churchill, who says to me, "Yes, sir, I was using my ECC email." No. I agree. No, man, I agree. But it's just that I'm saying something like this now when where clearly there is an issue. I would hope that you would delegate and ask somebody to look into it because clearly there is an issue. Please. And also, I don't know why it is that I'm coming to as a guest because I'm logged into my account. I'm logged into my account. So I don't know why it is that I'm coming in as a guest. So I'm saying, it's a beautiful platform. You guys are capable of what it is that you're doing. All I'm saying is that clearly there is something that is not connecting, which is what I'm saying. Because Susie said that she wasn't seeing anything on her end when I last spoke with her. But what I'm saying, so, uh which is the point I'm making. Hmm. You know what I have to be doing. I mean, I have a paid for version of Zoom, and when I'm having the challenges, I just kiss my teeth and just log into my personal Zoom account. And the thing about it is that I use a tablet specifically for the personal Zoom account that I keep logged into that Zoom. So I know when I take up that tablet, it is my personal Zoom account that is there, and the computer that I use is logged in always to ECC. So I am logged into my account on the computer. So I don't know why I'm coming up as guest. And I don't know, but there is, and I said what I was saying to you. Let me tell you what has happened first. So you see, when I go in my personal Zoom account, for example, um, Sunday night I wanted to assist one of my little nieces for something, and when I went on my personal Zoom account, I was trying to log on to something, and my personal Zoom account. Oh, because I had a challenge the other day when I emailed you guys about not getting in, I logged out of my personal Zoom account and logged into my ECC account on the tablet. And on Sunday, I wanted to do stuff. Never remember that I was still in my ECC account and was trying to access my personal Zoom and it couldn't go through. And when I click on that little button up top, I recognized I was logged in as ECC. I had to come out of it and log into my personal Zoom on the tablet in order to get in. So, the truth of the matter is when I when I there are students in my class who I know because I know those students and I know that they would have done their registration because I mean especially my bachelor students because I'm actively involved in that. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. For which one? For the environmental statistics? Okay, sure. Yeah, man, sure. Environmental statistics. Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. 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 Let me ask a question. When it says the participants who have selected this course are as follows. That's what. That's what you want with the student ID last name. What you want? Sunday at 8. Right. Okay. Sunday at 8 a.m. It says. So last Sunday was the 15th. Right. Okay, no problem. Yeah, you're saying. No, sorry, you were saying something. You were saying something else before I asked you. Sunday the 15th. Oh, and that listing will be for the whole week that I would have a class for? Okay. Mm. I'm sorry, Timothy's entitled again. How you normally send to? What's the title of it? Zoom meeting participant. Mm. Right. See, just I'm looking at it, and I'm seeing and see here. First joined at 7:10, last leave at 9:07. Markshan at ecc.edu.jm. Mm-hmm. And Dion at 44 at my ECC and Gabriel Churches. I just told Gabriel Churchill at my ecc.edu.jm. Yeah, man. So, yeah, so this, yeah, man. Bless your heart. Yeah, man. Bless your heart. Cool. Thanks. Did I not give a 50 yourself, please?
If they send the card on every day, I can come to it. You just have to know when come back to me. I'll have it in my hand. If they send the card on every day, must come to you. With a diet with one pair of shoes and three shots, one clean mat. When a day. If you do, you might have it in the hand. So if you told me when you know this one is credit card,
I can give that to you. I can pay $50 on the card. But I'm sure.
So if you're not sure how to teach you $50, why would I do that?
No, so you teach me $50 one.
But if you do it back to me, my company, I'm stealing it.
Your level of reason sometimes may be request something to me.
No, hand take the time to me.
Right? Maybe request and sometimes you level of reason.
No, because if you're not ready, that's the end. You said to me, and I'm ready. You're ready.
Hello? Nothing. Okay. No problem. Easy. Okay.
Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Only people in the class. Is that
Mm-hmm.
Morning, sir. Yes, morning, sir. Sir?
Good morning, Orion.
Morning, sir.
All right. First things first, you need to go and sort out your ECC email, right?
Sir, can you repeat that, please?
You need to go and sort out your ECC email. You're using your personal email to log on to the class. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you need to go and sort that out. First things first. I just had a conversation with those guys because I've been here for quite a while and got locked out of the class, and they're telling me foolishness. So,
Oh, no, why? It's because I sign in from the Zoom for my actual Gmail. Next class, we need it.
all right. So where were we the last time?
Sequences and series, sir.
Okay, right. And I look back at the stuff and recognize that there's wonderful stuff that I never did it to. Summation, notation. So to speak about summation. And then I'll call it off. And then if I move into something else. All right, so unfortunately, today is just 2 hours we to meet for today because I had to change over the timetable and I did not remember to inform the college about it. So the college would have sent you the Zoom link for 9 o'clock nonetheless. I don't know if you saw that.
Yes, sir.
So they would have still sent you the Zoom link for 9 o'clock. And I can't stay in the class beyond the 12 o'clock. And I didn't remember until I started logging in. I was like, oh my goodness, this is what I did not do. So please remind me that I can inform the college of the change of the time. I know yesterday I had a conversation with the timekeeping officer, and I just never remember at all to say it to her. So that's remaining, or else we're not being able to go beyond our 2 hours for today. All right, so the last time we looked at the sequence and series, and there is something that we need to look at in order to complete that area. And are you completing your work on Edifor, Orion?
Pardon, sir?
Are you completing your work on Edifor?
No, sir.
Why?
I haven't been on Educasoft since last year, sir.
Well, you need to. Remember, there's a new season, and you and your stepfather are not going to fight. Remember that?
That was one of the reasons, indeed.
Okay. So we're not going to fight at all. We have an agreement, and I believe you. I don't think you will lie to me. And as a result of that, I want to log on, boss. Don't make me fall out. When you and I fall out, it's not a good thing, You should know that, right?
Yes, sir.
So so we're going to be looking at the summation notation. I'm just kind of waiting some time, but I'll just wait until 10:15, and after, if they don't come, we'll just go ahead and do what we must do. Judy was in chemistry class this morning.
I didn't see her in chemistry class, sir.
I think something is happening to her, And Kendra, I don't know. Kendra was the first one that I met in class. She was always very diligent in getting here on time. Last couple of days, I'm not seeing her at all. So, all right. Make sure if you want to go to the bathroom, you can go now. If you want to get a glass of water to put beside you, you can go now. We have another 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
Sir, what I want to do is sign into this Educasoft. Can you help me with that real quick, sir? Is the same thing like last time, sir?
Yes, it will make a lot of sense. Sign in and see if you can go on, get familiar with that from now.
Sir, so is the same thing like last year?
Yes, ma'am. It's the same thing like last year. There's a difference though. All those files in there now are what we call HTML files. So it's easy for you to access and source. So the system was updated.
So is my normal email is the school email or my email you use, sir?
I think I use your email because I promoted you from last year to it. So I use your email. So just go through it, and then now what I want you to do is update it to the school's email address. So let me know when later on.
Pastor was school 20, right?
Yeah.
Sir, I'm not seeing.
No man, user you know, or daily, what we use. Um, OA daily 11 at gmail.com.
Yes, sir. OA Daily 11 at gmail.com.
Got on?
Still saying invalid user credentials.
Select the Jamaican flag. Select the Jamaican flag.
I see now. I see now. Not letting me in same way, sir. Saying the same thing.
What is it saying?
Invalid user credentials.
Um, what password are you using?
School 20. Capital
Mm-hmm.
S.
Use welcome, WELCOME.
Okay. Capital W.
No, all lowercase.
Alright, I got him, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I got him, sir.
This mosquito just.
Since I'm here, let me do some practicing.
All right, sorry. So you're back. I'm back, rather. Um,
Sir, are you going to be out there today, sir?
no, no. What happened?
The paper, the CSEC paper needs to be signed, sir.
Yeah, do you have? Are you going to pay for it today?
No, I have a lab today, sir. I was wondering because I know you always up there, sir. Because
Yeah,
you
but
know like a yard, sir.
no, no, no. All right. What time is your lab today?
My lab is 2 to 4, sir.
All right. And who you have lab with?
Miss Williams.
And all right. Kendra, when is the chemistry lab?
Pardon, sir?
When is the chemistry lab?
Chemistry lab was on Monday, sir.
Okay. And today's the 18th and it's the 20th. All right. Worst case scenario, I'll ask somebody to sign for me. That's the worst case scenario. I'll ask somebody to sign because um that. Let's get the paper with you today.
Yes, sir.
And, hold on, please. Let's back us. All right, then, cool. Oh, Jesus. Oh, them not good here? No, they're not good. Yeah, man. All right, then, bless up. It have to be done, yeah. Bless up here. Yeah, man. Appreciate it. All right, cool. Easy. This is your diary. This is your diary. This morning. He's tall, brown, very tall and brown. And very tall, brown. You should go to the 945. I mean, when you're by the fire, you see a walkers. Very tall, honestly.
I think you're
Yeah. Okay. I mean, sorry. Hold on, Orion.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all right. All right, so the are you on? Are you looking at the stuff on Edico?
Yes, sir.
All right, what I want to do is I really want to finish off the you call it now the summation, but the others are not here yet. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to use the time to just go through, and because we've already done indices and logarithms, I'm just going to ask you to just go through and start the assessment on the indices and logarithms. I'm right here, and hopefully by then the others will join. But I don't want you to be wasting the time. So just go ahead and start the assessment. Since you finished that topic already, just start the assessment, please.
Sir, I don't see any assessments on indices, sir. I see four.
Hold on, because it will be very strange if the assessments are not loaded. All right, hold on. All right, hold on, because you are correct. Polynomials, I have not done polynomials that we just did. I have not done that which we just did. Remember, I started from bottom up?
Yes, sir.
Right, so those ones you can't do just yet. All right, so oh dear, it's for me now to run find test 11. No, that's trigonometry. Test 10. No, that's calculus. Test 9. Calculus again. Test 8. That's trigonometry. Test 7. Magnitude, that's vectors. All right, I'm lost.
It would seem so, sir.
Slope of a line. What do for test 6? Slope of a line. Look at test 5. Okay, identify the pattern. So test 5 is APGT. Homework on chapter 5 is test. Test on chapter 1. Right as a single exponent. Okay. Okay. So test on chapter 1. Homework on chapter 1. Why do these all the way down here? Homework on chapter 1. Okay, yeah. All right, so I find it. It says homework on chapter 1, 43, 44, 45.
Homework on chapter 1.
Yeah, but hold on now. Oh no, this is Nathan. All right, so what I want you to do for me,
Yes, sir.
43, 43, 44, 45. Test number 43. 44, 45.
Over for chapter 1.
Yeah, 43, 44, 45. So start. There are like 5 questions in there. So start
Yes, sir.
43. Yeah, 43, 44, 45. Start them for me, please.
Yes, sir.
I don't think we don't have a problem with that because it's already written up
You all right, Ryan?
from the one
Yes, sir.
taken off the label. Right, yes. 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 Uh-huh. Okay. Well, I think, no, I think what her issue is, she's trying to wean us from her and push us to Lennox to make decisions or for Lennox to say, I support and Alison, support. So that is, she wants him to get more involved and you understand, so she no, but the thing about it is Claudia's business. So if Claudia has already, I mean, he can just say, but he already, when he approved what the loan done, what was Brian what was the loan? Uh-huh. Right. Don't make all of surgery. You don't have the time to fix it. You don't have the time for that. No, guess what? No, but guess what? Guess what? But what are you doing? Because right now you're not connecting. So we need to get out of that mindset that we want to connect everything. Right now you're not connecting, you're connecting zero on those accounts. If a fan comes to you with something, once the reasonable, take it and run. Because if not have to come, if not have to come to you. No, I guess what? When you say, okay, here is the offer that is happening. This is what you need to bring in. You decide where you want it. So if you want to stick out and say, all right, go through everything that account and say, okay, we now get a money, we now get a money. By the time you go through everything, you don't need opportunity. So better you just
I asked him to come and membrane verandas. So I'm just coming straight.
Why am I not getting to the power?
Say it again, Papa?
No, as in the calculator not really working out. Ah, there it is.
What about the calculator?
It wasn't giving me power on the editor thing.
Oh, no man, it's an upside down V.
Yes.
All right now?
Yes, sir.
But I had it already. Oh gosh, that I don't do.
I just attempted that.
You finish your first one yet?
Yes, sir. It's just a time limit holding me back.
Oh, okay, got you. That's just how the system set up. So it says I have to run 2 minutes first.
So,
So, I don't know if you could do that.
And the SI then.
Right.
Okay.
Serena. Come.
Oi, the Brahmani. Yeah, the Brahmani.
All right. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
Any of them yet?
Pardon?
Finish any of them yet?
Yeah, I finished the first one on the homework chapter one,
Nice.
number 4.
Very nice. Continue. Yeah, mommy's office.
Pardon, sir?
Yeah, mommy's office.
Repeat that, sir.
Where you home?
Yes, sir. No, I'm not home. I'm at my mom's office.
Mm-hmm. Same here in some year.
Yes, sir.
I don't really feel like you. I don't really feel like you. I don't really feel like you.
Yeah. 495, which is about the same place where we were, so I'm far in that. No, well, I mean, with, so we have about, well, I mean, it's not worse. Before we were behind that. Yeah. So, that's when we have to stop. Everybody needs to go. Everybody needs to take up. No, even a day, we are 100 million. We are 100 million classification. That's what we're trying to get to. There is not 13 million. Well, I'm counting the work day. It's about nine work days left. You have 9 work days left. Yeah. Which is about 1.8 million per day. But no, so, I mean, that could be one account. Does, it does. That's what I'm saying, when you break it down, which is why cinema is our different. When you break it down and say it is 1.9 million, $2 million a day. That could be 4 credit cards. And what you're asking them to take out is the is the above the above. So you further break that down. And it really could, it really can solve everything business. Yeah, but it's not that easy. It's not that easy. Yeah. Well,
Or you stay.
Finishing up the last one now, sir.
Very good. Now, if you like when you start do this, why you make me have a follow to the son? I
Yes,
want
sir.
you to get in the same habit of just going on
so what
and complete your assessments. What is going to happen when you're finished with those? I'm gonna go through and teach you the area. I'm not gonna hold you at suspense because of the other students not coming to class. I'm just check to see if anybody is here. No, just a pair of us. All right. So just holler at me. Let me know when you're finished. I mean all three of them, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
then okay, better ready? Dishwashing liquid. What are you? Yeah, no. You say that here?
No, but
Oh,
well,
okay.
you start the test on part. Which one do you know?
Test, sir.
The test on chapter 1.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Because on my side I've seen computer. Okay, so that means you're working on it. All right, cool. I'm just checking this stuff. I said I think it's 100% for the homework. Very good. That's what I want to see of you. I mean, tell your mother say she must stop feed you so you can do the work. No, but you shouldn't feed you. You got pass away because you're already fat. So she go feed you. All right, I will make you pass away. All right, continue working, Papa. Proud of you.
So we about 100? What about that?
Number 1.
How much it is? Is the same better?
And done.
Try to go on to the
Oh, I put the 2x9. Where the? I put B in. I could have swore I put freaking Wow, that was a real stupid mistake. I should not have gotten that one wrong. Well, partially correct.
I don't know.
Partially correct.
You better check it now. I don't may fall out.
Yeah.
I didn't 2, I put 3. What the
Probably more in.
46.2. All right, so I'm getting 46.2, but the answer is supposed to be 46.5. Why am I getting 46.2? Check it over. It's 42.
No.
70, 25, 28.
Yeah.
I can't do it over. No. That one I'm stupidly wrong. Because I put the two.
As long as they recognize the error that you've made, I'm good by it, you know.
And then it's always two, you know, the 2 1 you get wrong is always 2 1 you put instead of that. Those are stupid mistakes. 1 second, listen.
I certainly
Alright, turn back. Sorry about that. The device is dying out to put it in.
Oh. So You completed everything now, or you have one more to do?
I completed everything, sir. One of them was practice, sir.
So you don't want to do the practice?
I already
Hello?
did practice, sir.
You did practice?
Yes, sir. I just didn't count it for some weird reason.
Yeah. All right. So I'm proud of you. As I said before, this is just a start. Let me see if something here. Edit full. Right. So what percentage you got on it for the second one? For the test.
80.
You got 80. All right, no problem. Finding roads in chapter 4. Chapter 2. Let me just see. Oh, I need to go somewhere else. Sorry, start instructor. Right, no. Nothing to, and all the questions that you got to do a while ago are things that I've already covered with you, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so the other ones, special factorization, ECF, these are the ones that I have done with you. No, because I have to do polynomials with that one with you. Yeah, actually, you should be able to do this one. Of course. You should be able to do this one. Homework 6.3. Ay, ay, ay. I am going to challenge you. Why is that X cubed 343?
Read that, sir.
I'm going to challenge you.
Okay.
I'm going to challenge you. I want you to do homework 6.3 for me. And I'm giving you the homework. In the event that you don't do well on it, you can have another go at it. Homework 6.3, there are only 5 questions. Homework 6.3, I want you to do homework 6.3 and just scroll down. I can tell you what number it is. 6.3, special factorization. There are 2 questions in it that homework 6.3 is number 16. And then I'm giving you the homework. I'm not giving you the quiz yet. I'm giving you the homework. Should in case you have a challenge, at least you have another attempt at it because it's a homework and you get multiple attempts at the homework. So do that for me. When you finish that, then I'm going to move into the summation. I'm going to teach you the summation and then just post the notes in the group.
So homework 6.3, right, sir?
Yeah, and that's the last exercise I give you for class today, and then we'll just go ahead and I'll teach you the summation topic.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I will come foot big man. Sir, the fourth one stumped me. Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Orion,
Yes, sir.
you know that I'm having a conversation with myself. I'm not recognizing that I'm muted.
Oh, I was I was saying that the last two stumped me, sir.
No, but I heard when you said, and I was even asking a question and you didn't even answer. I said to you, if you submitted the assessment,
Yes,
and
sir. Yes, sir.
and I recognized that you didn't answer me. So I figured more or less that something went on, but now I realized why I never answered because I was muted. All right, so what you got, 60%?
Yes, sir. 60%.
All right, so the last two stumped you.
Yes, sir.
I expected those two to stump you, but never mind. I'm coming back to that because you still have another attempt at that quiz. So I'll
Yes,
come
sir.
back to that one and then you can redo the quiz when I come back. I'm not going to stop to do it now, but we'll do that. What I will do, however, is just spend the remaining time to go through summation, the summation notation, and let's see if I can bring up that document, the additional math, sequence and series. And I think I had done something with the summation. Okay, this is additional math. Let me share my screen. All right, so I am down to what's your all right. I thought I had done something on it, you know. All right, so I'm going to be looking at the summation notation, the summation notation, and the summation notation. Let me give you what it looks like. As it suggests, summation, it is something that you're adding. All right, so that's what it is. So the notation. Copy. So the notation looks like that. All right. I'm going to just give you a different thing. So the notation looks like that. All right. Now the summation notation is pretty simple. I mean, 5 minutes and we can get this thing done up and out of the way. It is really very simple. Now, what the summation notation is saying is that I give you a function and I ask you to sum the function within a particular interval. So, for example, no, let me give you the stuff. See, I copy this and see, I paste this. But actually, that's not the one I need to use because I need to use one that says that. Let me take off that. Let me do that and go in here. So what is going to happen if you NCT? The function is going to be placed here. This is where I'm going to start, and this is where I'm going to end. All right, so look at that for me, please. So the summation notation, up top is where I start, at the bottom tells me where I'll end, and in front of the summation notation is going to be the function. All right, and I'm thinking that I may need to put that up here instead of what I have here. All right, so that's what the summation notation is. Now let me give you an example. What I mean by start, function, and the words. Say 2, and say the function is 2x squared plus 5. Something that is simple. All right. So for example, EXAMP. All right. So for example, I will say to you, EVALU, evaluate that. So I'm asking you to evaluate that. So it says, I want you to sum this function. Now, what is the function? The function is 2x plus 5. 2x squared, sorry, plus 5. and I want you to start it at obviously the opposite way. Down here is my start, and up here is my end. So I'm going to start the function at 2, and I'm ending the function at 5. Starting the function at 2, ending the function at 5. So what I'm saying to you is the function is such a way that it is not static, meaning the function does not remain the same every time. The function changes. The function changes to different things. This function in this particular case is 2x squared plus 5. So what it is that we're doing, we're starting a function at 2 and we're ending at 5. So look at what I'm doing. I'm going to say to you, copy, paste. I'm going to say to you, anywhere in the function I see x, I'm going to put 2. Anywhere in the function I see x, I'm putting 2. Then anywhere in the function I see x again, then I'm going to move up to 3.
Okay.
And then anywhere in the function again, I see x, I'm going to move up to 4.
Yes.
And anywhere in the function again, I see x, I'm going to move up to 5. And anywhere in the function again, I see x, I move up to 6. True or false?
No, sir. You stop at 5.
Excellent. So you see what I've done there? So I'm finding the summation. So what I'm doing there is saying, starting at 2, so in the function 2, and because this time means summation, sum means to add, plus, I move up to 3, plus, I move up to 4, plus, I move up to 5, but I end here. Why do you end here, sir? Because this up here tells me my end point, and this one here tells me my start point. All right. So in evaluating this now, I'm gonna say 2 squares. I'm gonna say 2 squares is 4.
Yes, sir.
And then I'm gonna say 3 squares is 9.
4 squares.
Agreed?
16. Yes, sir.
Very good. And then 4 squares is 16. I'm not worried about you with this because I know your algebra is where it's supposed to be, so that's very good. So, and then 5 squares is 25.
Yes, sir.
And then I'm gonna go further now to evaluate this. 2 times 4 is?
2 times 4 is 8.
Good. So I'm gonna have 2 4s 8, and then 2 9s are
18.
And then 2 16s are
32.
And then 2 20 times 25 is
50.
Good job. And then you see how nicely I'm carrying it down. And then 8 plus 5 equals
8 plus 5 equals 13.
And 18 plus 5 equals
23.
And 50 plus 5, sorry, 32 plus 7 plus 5 equals
37.
Yeah, I was giving you the answer in answering the question. And 5 plus 50 equals
55.
All right, good. And then now you're going to add 13 plus
Sorry, I
23.
forgot the 5, sir. For the 50.
Oh yeah, 55, yeah, thanks. Add up for me now. 13 plus, that's who fix that. 13 plus 23 plus 27, that's 6155. Okay, I can't bother do that. You have a calculator in front of you. I'm fixing.
The total is 127.
Total is 127?
Yes, sir.
All right, so 23 and 37, that's 60. 60 and 60, that's 120. And 5 and 3, 8. I get 128 when I do it out of my head. Do it again, please. 13 plus 23 plus 37 plus 55. I get 128.
Yes, it's 128.
Okay.
Right.
All
I
right.
put
So,
22. Yeah, okay.
all right. So you see how easy it is?
Yes, sir.
There's nothing too hard about it. The only thing that you have to be very careful of is sometimes them give the question where, and let me just give you one of those onto. Let me just give you one of those that sometimes they try to trick you. But don't be fooled by it. Let me just clear this up to about 3. Change this to x squared. Let's make up a for something. And all right. You want to attempt that one for me? You attempt that one for me. And then I'll come and do it in 2 minutes with you.
Okay, sir. Sir, I got 10.
That's what I get to. You might answer a long time.
Just oh, nice.
You might answer a long time. All right. So tell me that you are seeing what is happening there. Are there any questions?
No questions, sir. I got it.
You got it? All right. Let me just generate a few as classwork and then we can call it a day. All right. And I can say to you that you would have done um, quite a bit of work. Um, All right, so start working. See number 2 there.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sorry.
Finish the second one, sir.
Finish the second one. Woo,
Yes,
keeping on
sir.
good.
Is it 5, sir?
You know that I am here typing something else. Let me do that quickly. What is it? It is 2x over x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
2x over x minus 1. And it is x is negative 1. And it goes up to 2. Huh. What do you get?
5, sir.
Okay. All right. So you recognize that one of the values don't work in it, right?
2 of them, sir.
Which two?
The 1 and 0.
The 0 works because the 0 over negative 1 is 0.
Yes, sir.
If I come in, I'm going to do it. You are the ancient of days. I'm trying to do something here. Okay. All right, so that's going to be 2, and that's -1. And that x is also going to be -1. After -1 comes 0, don't?
Okay.
And then comes 1. And then comes and ends at 2. So now 2 times -1 is -2, and -1 minus -1 is also -2, right?
Yes, sir.
And 2 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is -1. And 2 times 1 is 2, and -1 minus -1 is 0. So there is no answer for that one. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is just simply 1. And then you have now -2 over -2 is simply 1. Agreed? And that is simply 0. And that is no answer. Bam, bam, bam. 4 over 1 is 4. Very good. So you say you got 5?
Yes, sir.
Good job. All right. See, you have number 3 there for me. So do 3 for me, and maybe a last one, and then we'll call it a day.
Yes, sir.
Finish?
No, not yet, sir.
Which one giving you problems?
Uh, sorry about that, sir. No person, no problem, sir. It's just that it taking a while, sir.
Which one? That's what I'm asking you. Which one? The one with the 5x over x plus 1?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I have the answers there. I am not sure if the room is going to be used at 12 o'clock, and it's now 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the notes here in the WhatsApp group. You're going to continue working on it, and then you're going to send me a message in the group whether or not you agree with my answer, so I can double check my answer because I did mine already.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I just need to release the room. That's why I'm leaving, all right?
All right, sir.
All right, cool. Take care. Thanks for coming.